wait for the cookies to cook, I want you to have a look at this on the screen here. See this? See that? What's that number in the middle there?
1.
1. So this is a hole. So imagine this is the cookie dough roll. Like remember we cut them up now, but before we had the cookie rolls. So imagine this is a cookie roll. Yeah? Alright, can you move it around? Show me that you can move it. Remember our first customer wanted you to make 4 cookies. So this is a whole cookie dough, so this is one whole. And the first thing we did is we cut the cookies into halves, didn't we? To make it even, because we had to make equal size pieces. See how there's 2 halves there? So you've got the 1 over the 2. Can you see that 1 over the 2? Can you point that out for me? Can you point to it? The 1 over the 2 in the orange? Yeah, so that symbol there means half. That's math language for half. So first thing we did is we cut the cookie dough into 2. Yeah, you agree? What's the next thing we did? Where did we cut next? Can you show me on the screen?
Middle.
So we cut in the middle here. And then where did we cut again?
Here.
Yeah, on both sides, right? So that is like cutting the cookie dough into quarters. So see the 1 over the 4 symbol?
Yeah.
See how it fits inside the half there?
Oh.
Yeah?
Yes.
That's called a quarter. So 1 over 4 equals a quarter. Let me think with that. Whoops, that wasn't very well lined up, wasn't it? Okay, so what would you say there? Are we ready to make 4 cookies at this point? You want to count how many you can see on there on the red line? How many 4s can you see there?
4.
4. So this was when we cut it. We cut it 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 4 cookies. Yeah? And then the next customer came along. So he had another roll of cookie dough. Here. So there's your roll of cookie dough. And how many pieces did he want? Here he is here.
8.
He wanted 8 pieces. And what was the first step we did? So this whole piece here, what did we do?
Cut it in the middle.
Yep, and what does that mean? We cut it in
half.
Yeah, nice. So we use the 1 over 2. That means half. Yep. And then what did we do? It's pretty similar to this one. Because you know 4 is half of 8. Yeah, so the next thing we did is like this lady here. What did we do?
4 plus 4
equals 8, yeah. But see, we've cut our cookie dough here. And where did we cut it next?
Here.
Here? There? In the middle there? Right there and there?
Yeah.
Yep. So that means we cut it into quarters. So the 1 over 4 means quarters. Can you say the word quarters for me?
Quarters.
Quarters. So see how those quarters fit nicely into the halves? See how 2 quarters, so
yeah.
1, 2 is the same as 1/2. Yeah? Can you see that? And then what did we do? You came up with something very special, didn't you? You decided to cut it the different way. Yeah, you cut it all the way across there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. If we're going to use this app, see the 8 here?
Yeah.
Remember we wanted 8 pieces?
Yeah.
See the little 8 down there?
Yeah.
So now I bet you can fit 8 pieces all the way in there. Do you want to try that? So this is called 8s. Can you say 8s? It's got the at the end. 8s. Say it again. Good job. That's a hard word to say, isn't it? Can you smell those cookies? Yes. They smell delicious. So how many 8s have we got so far?
4.
So that says 4 8s. We've got 4 8s, don't we? And 4 8s, I'll help you. Whoops, that is tricky. 4 8s fit into 2 quarters, which fits into 1/2. That's getting a bit confusing, isn't it? Oh, tricky. Tricky little app. How many eighths have you got now?
6.
6. So how many eighths do we have?
6.
And now that's 7. 7 what?
7 eighths.
Yep. And how many is this?
9.
No, that's 8. You want to count them?
1, 2, 3, 4. 8.
So how many eighths have we got?
8.
8 what?
Eighths.
Good job.